Hi guys, welcome back to Dave's Room. Today I am going to be doing something a little bit different. The other day my nephew Miles watched my recent video about the shark and he really enjoyed it, so I asked him what he wanted me to paint next, and he said he wanted me to do the Avengers. So in this episode I am going to be doing a painting of the Hulk for my nephew Miles. And the picture I found on Google is I think it's a digital drawing by an artist named Natalie Bernard. I like the way she captured the Hulk in sort of an action pose, so I'm trying to do my best to mimic it in watercolor. And I'm going to be using my Kuretake watercolors on Strathmore watercolor paper 9 by 12, and right now I'm drawing the image using my Zebra Delgard 0.5 mechanical pencil. This mechanical pencil, it says that it has unbreakable ink or unbreakable lead, and I don't know. So far, it hasn't broken while I've been using it, but yeah, I don't know. I always when I use mechanical pencils, I always seem to be breaking the lead, and so far with this one, that hasn't happened. So maybe their claim is true. But I really do like this pencil. I like the way that it feels, and if you like mechanical pencils, I highly recommend you give it a shot. I'll leave a link to it in the in the descriptions down below. This was probably one of the more challenging paintings that I've done because I, doing the human body is kind of difficult, especially as far as perspective goes. Like this image of the Hulk, he's leaping, so his arms are kind of behind his head and his feet are behind his body, and that was a little bit tough for me to try to get accurately represented. The source image, the one done by Natalie Bernard, she did a really great job bringing the Hulk to life, so I'm going to just try my best to do her piece justice. So here I'm using my number 12 Artist's Loft paintbrush, just applying some water to the paper just to get ready to lay down the sky. I used 4 brushes for this particular painting. I used the number 12, used the number 10, the number 9, and the number 1 for the finer details. So here I'm just going in with some blue just to get the basis of the sky down. I love how the watercolor paints just flow with that water. It's one of the things I love most about this medium. One of the things I love most about this painting is how Natalie Bernard did the sky. The sky, her sky, it's sort of like a sunset. So there's a bunch of different colors in the sky, and there's some like black smoke along the top of the screen, and there's some dusty clouds and just how she depicted that sky was beautiful, and I'm trying my best to represent it here, using a variety of different colors, yellows, blues. I'm going to go in with a little bit of orange and a little bit here, and I'm just trying to get that smoky, those smoky clouds, and it's almost like there's something burning off scene where the smoke is, flowing across the top of the image. So now I'm going in with a little bit of the orange and red and yellow just to try to get that sunset tones in there. Oh no, I'm going in with the green on the Hulk. I did not put the water down for the Hulk's body because I do want it to be a little bit more vibrant compared to the backdrop. Who else out there loves the Marvel superhero movies? I love them. My daughter and I, we go to them every once in a while when they're in the theaters. We missed the last couple, but we usually watch them here at home. I think we still have to watch Spider-Man, the last Spider-Man movie. We haven't seen that one yet, and I haven't seen the Captain Marvel one. I think those are the only two that I've missed so far. I got to catch up on those pretty soon here. If you like them, which one's your favorite one? I don't know which one my favorite one is. Probably the Infinity War. I think I liked Infinity War a little bit better than Endgame. I don't know, I just liked how that one was made a little bit better than Endgame. That's probably my favorite. Going back in with the blue to do the Hulk's jeans. So how's everybody doing with their stay-at-home quarantine? Everybody hanging in there? Watching some YouTube videos, maybe? What's your favorite thing to do while you're stuck at home? We went for a drive yesterday, and I couldn't believe the people who were they were out walking in droves. There were so many people out walking. I mean, it almost makes this whole stay-at-home thing pointless, it would seem. I mean, there was a lady with 10 kids riding their bicycles, and they go right up against, with closer to 6 feet, but with people walking on the sidewalks and stuff. I don't know. I think these people got to start taking this stuff more seriously if we're going to beat this thing. We just finished the first season of Westworld. I think it's on its third season now, so we're trying to get caught up on that. I saw the first season before, but Kelly and Emily, they didn't see it, so I rewatched it with them so we could start watching the second season and then get into this third season. I know a lot of people are liking it. Yeah, if you like it, let me know what you think about it. Here I'm using the number 1 brush, just going in and getting the shading, trying to get the shading. There's a lot of shadows in this image. On the Hulk's body, I didn't give as many shadows as the original piece, but I'm just trying to go in and do the best that I can. Now I'm just going in with a muted black and gray to do the backdrop of the buildings in the background. I don't know what happened with this piece of paper on the lower left-hand corner. It's almost, I don't know if there was wax on the paper when they manufactured it or whatever, but it didn't take the water or the paint as well. You can see right there, it's sort of like almost beading up to where it wouldn't absorb well. I guess it was a defect in the paper. I'm just putting in some white just to highlight a couple of the muscles. And just going in to get the shading on the feet. I didn't give too much definition to the feet because I knew if I tried, I would probably botch it. At least right now, I'm not still a lot of learning to do, so I just kept it sort of basic. Now I'm just adding in some of the sun's reflection on the buildings there. Even though they're muted in the background, I'm just putting a little bit of orange just to give it a little bit of a touch of color. And I think that's going to be it. This is my version of the Incredible Hulk. Oops, sorry about that. As done by Natalie Bernard. I'll leave a link in the description of her piece, and well, here it is here. I'll show it to you real quick. So that's her original version, and this is my watercolor version. Yeah, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my videos if you want to. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.